Hey there. I just finished watching the season finale of Stranger Things season 4, and man, was that epic. So, of course, I want to show you how to play Kate Bush's Running Up a Hill in really easy way. And for that, we're going to do the intro, and then we're going to do the chorus. And I'm going to have this left hand here, and there's a lot of notes to cover for the melody. It's all within an octave, and it's more than one hand can play, so you'd have to move your hand, which isn't really a basic thing. So I would say, even if this tutorial is like still a step above where you're at, just leave this part out and just play the melody right here. Share your notes between your hands, okay? This is middle C. You can play this in other octaves that are comfortable. So it's in C minor, if you know what that means. So the bass notes are just these three right here. And then the melody notes are gonna mostly be these notes right here. This is a comfortable hand position for me. I also have a big hand, so sometimes I do this. So I would use either 1, 2, 4, and 5. Those are my finger numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So either those fingers or these fingers. And you can clearly see what key I'm pressing, so I'm not going to name every single note. You can freeze the tutorial and see what notes I'm playing. So we have, again, I'm going to play it slow, and feel free to just leave this part out. Then Kate Bush starts singing. So it's mostly these, and I would say you could just leave your hand right here for the beginning. Then here, what I do is I push my hand to the back of the piano, I open my thumb up a little, play the same note I'm playing my left hand, and then to the C. Then I move my hand here because I need to play that B flat again, and I can either cross over to play it, or I can just have my hand up here and handle these three notes. So, one more time. Then the next part is just these two notes right here for the first two patterns. Notice I'm playing this note before I play this note. Okay, so one more time. This G and then the F when I play my C. So right there it goes. Okay, so that is the intro. And now for the chorus. Because a lot of what Kate Bush is singing is right here. It doesn't hurt what it feels. Breathe in. Just a lot of these notes and a very long, hard to flesh out pattern. So we're going to skip that part and just go to the chorus that I think everyone's going to be singing. So you're on this note in the bass. And again, we're spreading this kind of section. So we have da-da. I should just play it. I'm going to try to pull my finger back only so you can see what I'm playing, not because I think you should play like that. Your finger should always be out and relaxed. I'm also not going to try to emulate the singing rhythm exactly, so I'm not going to do that. We're just going to simplify the rhythm. It's easy piano. And then let's go through that again. Wanna deal with God. Da da, B flat, da G, back to B flat, down to C, G, and now in context. I guess I played the C. There we go. Okay. I think that's clear enough. And then we're going to play that again. It just ends a little short. Excuse me. Allergies. And then we're just gonna pretty sure that's right. Okay, so that's most of the chorus right there. And that should get you the heart of the song right there. For easy piano players, I think that that's plenty. I'm sure there's obviously lots of parts of the song that we didn't address. What I find fairly difficult is to do the gallop rhythm that you have the bass line doing. So I simplify it by just doing straight eighth notes like this instead of, or I guess, yeah, I would call those eighth notes because this is kind of your quarter note. Burn up a hill. Okay. All right. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun.